Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. This is R.H.A this side. First of all, I would like to say thank you that you guys subscribed my new YouTube channel and made it to 1000 subscribers in less than 30 hours. I am very grateful to all of you and of course God who is above all of us. Okay, so now in this video I will try to explain each and every point and step that how we have to fill IBPS PO and SBI PO form, and further whatever notification comes and the exam is conducted by IBPS, the process of filling the form will be same as it will be shown right now. Okay, and IBPS has changed their interface and some process in their form filling also, so I will show each and everything to all of you. Okay, so let's start. Visit the website. So who all are new to this banking sector and new to this YouTube channel, see, this is the site ibps.in. You will open. Now scroll down, click on apply online, click again on apply online. This is the page that will get open. Commencement of the online registration application was from 1st of July and closure of the application details will be on 21st of July. Okay, so I have created the PDF to explain you all each and everything. See, so you have to click on new registration first of all, then I will explain all steps from basic information, photo signature, details, preview, uploads and payment. Okay, basic information: fill your name, middle name if you have, last name if you have. After filling, the name will automatically will get displayed here. Okay, fill your mobile number, confirm your mobile number, fill your alternate mobile number if you have, fill your email ID. Here of course it will be gmail.com. Most of you will have created your email ID on Gmail only. Confirm your email ID here. Now type your security code. Here it is XHJHW. You will get different security code of course. Then this page will come. You have to upload your passport size photo here. I will tell later how the photo will get reduced to the size which whatever is demanded by the IBPS. Now if you have web camera on your PC or you have laptop, then you will capture your live photo from web camera. Otherwise you can scan this QR code through your mobile and the site will open. From there also you can capture your photo. Okay, now in next page you will have to click on this, that you confirm your valid photo, that the photo is valid, and then upload your signature. Remember, signature will not be in capital letters and it will be in black pen only. Okay, sign your signature from black pen only. And suppose my name is R.H.A, this signature is not valid. Okay, signature that is valid will be like this. Okay, it will be in cursive writing. Okay, got it? So then confirm your valid signature. After uploading, click on next. Give your basic details. As I am from general category, I will click here. I don't have any disability, so I will click on no. If you have any disability, click on yes and mention the type of disability here. Okay, this page is of no use, this is also of no use. Click here no. If you are working in any bank previously, click on yes. If you are working in if you were any serviceman, click on yes and mention the details. If you were not working in any service, any kind of service, simply click on no. Okay, and I am Hindu, so I will click on Hinduism. I don't belong to religious minority community, so I will click on no. I have applied for IBPS PO 2 times previously, so I typed 2 here and selected latest last 2 years examination. For selecting this, kindly press control button and hold it. Okay, and from mouse select whatever times you have given the examination. For example, you have selected 5 here, to type 5 here also. Okay, now next process is, if you are working as an apprentice in any bank, kindly click on yes, mention the bank, mention the start date and end date. If you are not working in any bank as an apprentice, simply click on no. Okay, of course we all are Indians, click on Indians, proud to be Indian, Jai Hind. And yeah, we have to select state. I am from UP, I will select UP, then type state code, select center for pre, select center for mains, whatever center is near from your home, select that center. I give Aadhaar ID, Aadhaar card, so I will select Aadhaar card and type the number of my Aadhaar card here. You can also give PAN or voter, whatever you want to, and then type the number of that ID. Okay, select your date of birth. You should be 21 to 30 years, of course, as per the notification. Select your gender, select your marital status, and this here you have to click on yes only. Okay, you have to give any one ID, either Aadhaar card or PAN number, whatever you want to give, you can type here simply. Here you have to give your address. Okay, writing gone bad. Wait, here you have to type your address, select your state, district, pin code, and this is permanent address. Mine is permanent address, so I selected permanent address. Now fees is 850 for general. If you are from SC category, fees is 175. Okay, SC ST. Done. Validate your details, it is very important. When you will click on validate your details, this will come like this: verified successfully. Click on OK. Now you have to give your educational qualification details. Okay, so give your 10th board. As I am from ICSE, so I will type here, and my date of passing, whatever it was, 2000, I don't remember, I will type here. Then percentage of marks, remember, if you got 60 plus percentage, then here it will be first. If you got less than 60 percentage, then it will be second. Okay, same graduation, post graduation, professional, whatever you have done, simply type your university details, specialization subject, degree, date of passing, percentage and grade. Then you have to click here, you have to select this is optional. Okay, this is optional, you can simply click on no. But if you have studied computer as a subject in your school, click on yes, select this and this. Okay, if you have any certificate, you can also select that also. Okay, this is simply optional thing. If you want to give you information of computer knowledge, you can give, otherwise skip it. If you are working somewhere or you are working right now, simply click on yes and give the details. As I am not working, so I will click on no. Here you have to if you are from SC/ST category, then you can click here yes. If you are from general categories, it will be disabled automatically. And of course, there is no detention, fine, conviction or sentence against me or any one of you. We all have to click no. Now here you can select your language, whether it is Marathi, Telugu, Tamil or Hindi, English. So select here, then select whether you can write it, read it or speak it. Okay, for example, you can't speak English. Okay, so you can simply click on read, write and speak, you can disable it. Okay, this will be like this here. Done. Clean and clear. Now validate your details. Very important thing, bank preference order. Okay, so I have made this video of bank preference order, a special video. If you haven't watched that video yet, kindly go to the YouTube and watch this video. I will try to pin the video link here, okay, in the comment section or description. Okay, from there you can watch this video. I have told each and everything about the bank preference order there. This is the same bank preference which I told you in previous video, and this is very important. Choose the bank wisely. Okay, this is same here. Now you have to click I agree, you have to click I confirm. If there is something change in your document proof, then only you have to click here, otherwise no. Okay, got it? And now here your signature will come. Complete your registration from here. Now upload your left thumb impression, handwritten declaration, and now your 10th certificate in PDF form. And remember that PDF form name should be like this, same, X pass certificate. There should be no space. Okay, if your PDF name is X pass certificate .pdf, it will not get accepted. This will get accepted, so kindly rename your PDF like this. Okay, got it? Now there was new thing. This is optional, don't worry. Okay, simply just click on no, type your security code here and save and next. You don't need to fill this locker thing or something. Simply just click on no and type your security code and save and next. Now payment window will come. Select on bill desk, type your security code, submit. Now as I use QR code, I will select the QR. I will click on Bhim UPI, make payment. The QR will come like this here. Okay, I will scan the QR and pay the fees. Okay, so it was all about this form filling process. It is very easy. I hope everything is clean and clear to all of you. This is very important. Kindly watch the video, watch the previous video I have made on bank preference only. Okay, and now I will tell how to reduce your photo size. Okay, this is the app, photo and resizer app, downloaded from Play Store. Photo and picture resizer. Select photo. Suppose I have to reduce the size of this photo. Right now this is 184 KB of approximately. Select this, open this, click on resize, scroll down, go to custom. Here you can type whatever size is demanded. As IBPS says that a photo should be uploaded in size from range from 20 KB to 30 KB. So I will type here 25 KB. Okay, so this 25 KB done. I will click on OK. Now the photo is reduced to 25 KB. Okay, I will show you the photo. Wait, see, previously the photo was, one second, previously the photo was this, see, 184 KB. Here it is written. Now the photo is 24.37 KB. Okay, 25 KB. So this is how this app works. Kindly download it from Play Store. Simply you can reduce all the size of whatever document you have to reduce. Okay, whether it is handwritten declaration, your photo, your left thumb impression, or whatever it is. So I hope each and everything is clear. Whatever you have any doubts regarding this video or form filling, comment below. I will reply. Okay, I will try to solve it. Okay, and if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, kindly join it at @R.H.A 4747. If you want to mail me, kindly mail me at rha.theofficial4747@gmail.com. So thank you for watching this video. I hope each and everything is clear in your mind now. You all can fill your form by all by yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching. You know the drill. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon so that whenever I post some video or any content, you guys can get instant notification. So thank you so much. टाटा, बाय बाय, टेक केयर. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. ओके.